Let's do a 5-minute meditation exercise, and it's called blank screen. When you're meditating, it's always for the benefit of making yourself feel calm, relaxed, refreshed, sometimes better than you possibly did before you meditated. It can be quite difficult to empty your mind, and if you're not feeling at your best, sometimes your energy is low. When you are able to successfully empty your mind, which is a challenge, the belief is that your energy levels rise, your vibrations rise, and you feel better. Your body is healthier, your mind is more alert and calm, your focus is there. But it's not easy to open your mind. It's not easy to empty it of thoughts. So let's try blank screen and see how we get on, with no judgment on yourself if you find it challenging. So find your comfortable position. If it feels good, close your eyes and then begin to do your calm breathing. In through your nose and out through your nose, or in through your nose and out through your mouth. Feel your shoulders and your neck and your arms and your legs relax. Allow your eyelids to relax. No tension in your eyes, no tension in your jaw. You can clench and release your teeth to help loosen that area. Squeeze and release your eyes if your eyelids feel tight. Raise and relax your eyebrows to relax your forehead. And now, imagine that you're staring at a blank television screen or a blank computer screen. Completely blank, nothing on it. Maybe you imagine that it's turned off and it's just completely black. Can you keep that screen blank in your head? Can you just visualize the empty screen? If you can, and your mind is offering no pushback, no resistance, then your energy and your vibrations will rise. If you do see random thoughts or random images, visualize yourself wiping them away. You can take a cloth or a duster and just wipe them away. And continue to visualize that blank screen. Completely relaxed, completely peaceful, just getting deeper and deeper into your relaxation, deeper into your meditation breathing. Deeper and deeper. Just look at that blank screen. Relax. Breathe deeper. Eyelids like magnets. Feeling so calm, so peaceful. You could almost fall asleep. Breathing deeper. Relax. 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 And when you feel ready, start to move your body gently. If it feels good, you can open your eyes. Big stretch. Wriggle if it feels good. And reflect without judgment on how you did. Did you manage to see the blank screen? Was it more of a challenge today? Accept how it was. You can note and reflect on how it was. But remember, you've recharged. You've energized. And now you can work on any of your achievements and goals that you wish.